Welcome to preparenext.com. We offer you job details. Today we are going to show you how to prepare for ACS exam. At first, what is CS and ACS? ACS stands for Associate Company Secretary. The ACS designation signifies a member of the ICSI who has completed the CS examination levels and training requirements. Anyone can be associate member who has passed the final exam, has completed the required practical training. After his admission to associateship, it is entitled to use the descriptive letters ACS and company secretary after the name to identify themselves as an associate member. A short description about the CS course. CS is a company secretary course which is conducted by ICSI, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, in June and December of each year. This course can be taken by 12th pass student or any degree holders from any stream. Company Secretary exam has 3 levels. 1 will be the foundation course with the duration on 8 months. 2 will be the intermediate or executive course of 9 month duration. And 3 will be the final or professional course of 15 month duration. This minimum CS program duration is 2.5 years for graduate and 3.5 years for those who finish plus 2. CS course can be pursued from 2 ways. Students who finish 12th exam can enroll in the foundation level company secretary course directly, and those who choose to pursue company secretary course after graduation or those who have cleared the intermediate level of the Institute of Cost Accountant of India can register directly for the intermediate course via direct entry. The CS Executive Entrance Test CSEET is offered to any pre- and postgraduate students pursuing company secretary courses. CS Executive can be applied after clearing the CS Executive Entrance Test. The final exam will be the Institute of Cost and Management Accountant of India or the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Students who pass this level may enroll in CS Executive without taking this level. A brief note of CS course duration and process. The foundation course will have MCQs with no negative marks. The CSEET consists of 200 points MCQs, audio clips, video clips, and descriptive questions. Executive course consists of 2 modules and which have 8 papers in total with 2 years in an internship. The professional course consists of 2 modules with a total of 9 papers and with 1 year internship. After the student can do an internship with the company as a secretary and can be offered a stipend of 3k to 20k. Students must have passed all subjects with at least percentage of 40 and the aggregate must be 50%. You may be wondering what they actually do. They ensure communication between the board, shareholders, government and regulatory agencies and all other players in the company. They provide guidance to the chairman and directors and their responsibility under various laws and ensure the board procedures are followed and regularly reviewed. They provide corporate governance and secretarial services, corporate IWAS advisory and representation service, financial market service and security compliances and certification services and more. Total registration fee for CS Foundation will be 4,500 rupees. For CS Executive Entrance Test is 1000 per appearance. The revised fee structure for registration fees would be 2000. The registration for CS Professional is 12,000 and pre-examination test fee is 1000. The total registration fee for CS Professional will be 13,000. The required document for registering for the CS course will be updated on www.icsi.edu. ICSI also offers CS course. Private sector and Government of India offers opportunities for company secretary careers. CS in India include financial institutions, stock exchanges, the Bureau of Public Enterprise, law services and nationalized banks, and the Department of Company Affairs. Thank you for watching this video. For more info, visit preparenext.com.